Hi guys, good evening. I will give you an update on my aquarium journey. It's been 4 months since I started this journey, since I started this hobby. So I will give you an update first. I only have 2 guppy, 2 tuxedo guppy, 4 neon tetra, 4 shrimps, and then plants. But now, as you can see, I have a lot of fishes. I have so much I don't know how many guppies are, and then I think it's 9 neon tetra because one of them died, so it's 9. So I have this new fish also, and the good thing is my shrimps, they survive, guys. I'll show you. These are the baby shrimps. Yeah, that one. There's so many of that one. I also have this one. I don't know how did I get that one, but the only color I have is 2 yellow golden back, red, cherry red, and also black choco. There's only 4 of them, but now there's so many. Here also, guys, that one. I can see a lot of baby red cherry shrimps. There's one also, that one. I don't know what this fish calls, but so beautiful. Well, I can say that the best tank mate for shrimps are guppy, neon tetra, and then this one. I think this one is also tetra. So thank you guys. I'll give you an update next time on what happened to our aquarium. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.